Hey, it's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I have another video for you guys right now. And this is actually an unexpected video because I ran into an unexpected clearance find for you. So first, guys, let me say this. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you can make sure that you get deals that I'm about to show you and you don't miss out. Make sure you hit the bell next to it because you'll get a notification every time I put up a new video. So, guys, I don't know if there's any coupons out for these or not. I didn't even wait to see because I just wanted to grab them before everyone else grabbed them because there were only 4 left and I wanted to get the savings. So get your phone so you could do the screenshot because you have to make sure you have the right UPC so that you can get these items so cheap. Okay, so for all of you Rite shoppers, and even if you're not a Rite shopper, you might want to start checking your Rite at least 2 or 3 times a week. I just spoke with one of the Rite managers, and she informed me that there's going to be a lot of remodeling, reconstruction, however you want to phrase it, in the Rite stores because they're making more room for pharmacy items. So there's going to be a lot of items going on clearance. And I've noticed that I've been getting a lot of clearance finds. So I just happened to ask her because these Clorox wipes are on sale, and this is a new product. It just came out. So I was wondering, like, why are they putting a new product on clearance already? And that's when she explained to me that they are getting rid of some of their clothes. They're reducing some areas that do not sell that well, and they're making room for new or / more pharmacy items. So be on the lookout. If I were you, I would stop in my Rite at least 2 to 3 times a week because she said every day they're going through inventory and finding things that they're going to clearance out. And it's not just this store, it's all of the Rite in every state. So make sure that you are checking your Rite. So guys, let's get into this deal real fast so I can let you guys go. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, so you're going to get these Clorox combustible wipes, okay? And you have to make sure it is the 75 wipes, 1 pound, 0.9 ounces, okay? It's the Clorox combustible cleaning wipes. Compostable. We don't want combustible because then they're going to explode. We'll have exploding wipes. You guys know I always mess stuff up, so you guys are used to me now. Okay, so here is the UPC. Make sure you guys grab that screenshot and make sure it is that UPC that you're getting. So here is my receipt so you can see I paid $1.52 for these. So I got a discount of $5.47. I got 4 of them and it came to $6.08. And you know we don't discuss tax. Okay. Let me show you the wipes again. So you see they were regularly $6.99 and it's 75% off of $6.99, which comes to $1.52. And I'm going to show you guys the UPC again, just so you have it. Okay. So head out to Rite Aid. Get your Clorox wipes, not the combustible ones, but the compostable ones for $6.99. And they come down 75% off to $1.52. So guys, until the next time, keep on saving.